I'm at the range today shooting my 5.56 Ruger. Tell you what a kick this rifle has. My second 10 shotters. Trying to sight the red dot in here. It's like shooting a canyon over here.
Two out there. Who are you? Good lane through.
That's the second shotter. 5.56. Let's check out the sighting in here. Not too bad. I moved them over a little bit. I'm going to leave them right where they are. I'll talk to you. That's the first group we got on the right, so I moved them all to the left. Alright, I'm back at the house. I had to cut that video with the range a little short. I had the range master right in back of me in the booth. So it wasn't too bad. This is the Ruger 5.56. I had a sight in a little bit. I was shooting to the right. So next time I take it, maybe I'll sight it in a little bit better. It should move over a little bit more. I shot 60 rounds of this American Eagle 5.56. No failures or nothing on it. The only issue I had was loading the rounds in the magazine. This is the metal magazine that came with the rifle, but I guess the spring is a little bit stiff when it's new. It was a little bit hard to put the rounds in here, but not too bad. I mean, this gun's got a little kick to it, not too bad. It's got a big flash coming out the barrel because there's no flash hider on this rifle. But other than that, she shot real nice. I'll sight it in a little bit more. Real fun to shoot this rifle. I finished off the day with the Ruger SR22 pistol. I thought I bought more of these. I did bring 100 rounds. I had 2 other boxes in the bottom of the bag, but I didn't see them when I was getting my stuff. So I packed up the rifle and I shot the Ruger SR22 pistol to finish off my hour. This is the 223. So I want to show you a little something. That's a 223. These are the 22. If you look at the holes in diameter, they're basically almost the same size. 223 and 22 long rifle. So I don't know what all the hyper is about an AR-15, 223, 5.56. It's the same as a 22 long rifle. It's a little bit longer. It's got a little bit more power charge to it. It makes a little bit more noise, a little bit more kick. But if I was going into battle, I wouldn't go into battle with a 223, 5.56. I use a 308, an M60, and maybe a 7.62 39. But this is a nice fun rifle to shoot. Go to the range and have fun with it. That's what I do with my rifles. I do not hunt. I go to the range and have fun shooting. So that's what we did today. Went to the range. This is a new range. This is down south for me. It's $20 an hour. The one back home is $15 an hour, but they still charge you an extra $5 to shoot that 223, $20 an hour. But this range is a lot bigger and longer. So for the $20, it was all worth it. I will go back again, but that's what we did. We shot the Ruger 5.56 at the range today.